2 dead after boat capsizes off Port Royal coast. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, in due time, UDC chairman says Duns River audit report will soon be released.
Murder-suicide. Police investigate deaths brought on by domestic dispute.
Resolution time. What about stop being late? TVJ's Herman Green explores the issue.
No extension. Plastic ban going into effect next Tuesday as planned.
And in business news, going down, gas prices fall.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, have you been aware of a case of domestic violence and had to intervene?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.